Hello friends, in part 2 of chapter 2, work and energy, we are going to learn first point, energy. So first point is energy. The capacity of a body to perform a work is called energy. The unit of work and energy both have same unit, or the unit of both work and energy are the same. The unit of energy in SI system is joule and in CGS system is arc. You have learned that energy exists in the various forms like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy and solar energy, etc. So now we are going to study two forms of mechanical energy. First, mechanical energy. Two forms of this mechanical energy we have learned here. First is kinetic energy and the second one is potential energy. So first, in this mechanical energy we have learned here kinetic energy. A cricket ball or a first fast cricket ball strikes on the stumps. वेगात येणारा चेंडू स्टंपावर आदळला. Second example, the striker hits a coin on the carom board. कॅरम खेळताना जो स्ट्रायकर आहे तो स्ट्रायकर त्या कॅरम बोर्ड मध्ये असलेल्या सोंगटीवर आदळला. Third example, one marble strikes another marble in the game of marbles. गोट्या खेळताना एक गोटी दुसऱ्या गोटीवर आदळली, काय होईल? What will happen? In above examples, we understand that when a moving object strikes a stationary object, the stationary object moves. म्हणजे खालील एक्झाम्पल वरनं उदाहरणांवरनं आपल्याला लक्षात येईल की जर एखादी गतिमान वस्तू किंवा गतिमान ऑब्जेक्ट्स स्टेशनरी म्हणजे स्थिर असलेल्या ऑब्जेक्टवर जर आदळली तर ती स्थिर असणारी ऑब्जेक्ट सुद्धा काय होत असते? गतिमान होत असते. On this basis, you can say that the energy which an object has because of its motion is called as kinetic energy. Once again, the energy which an object has because of its motion is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is calculated by this formula. So kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 into m mass into velocity square or square of velocity. So second point we have learned here expressions of kinetic energy. Second point we have learned here expressions of kinetic energy. The work done on the object, you know that work done is calculated by the following formula. It is W is equal to F into S, means work is equal to force into displacement. According to the Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to Newton's second law of motion F is equal to m into a. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. We get first equation. Then second, S is equal to, means displacement is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. 1/2 at square. However, initial velocity is 0. Here u is equal to 0, means initial velocity is 0. So what happens? S is equal to 0 plus S is equal to 0 plus 1/2 at square, means S is equal to 1/2 at square. We get the equation number 2. We get the equation number 2. Using equation 1 and 2, W is equal to m into a multiplied by 1/2 at square. Using equation 1 and 2. Using equation 1 and 2. So W is equal to 1/2 is common, A is common, here m into t square is remaining. So it is also written here in this manner. So W is equal to 1/2 m into bracket 180 square. So we get the equation number 3. We get the equation number 3. Using Newton's first law of motion, V is equal to U plus at. So initial velocity is 0 here. So V is equal to 0 plus at. It means V is equal to 80. Then you can square of both the sides. Square of both sides. So we get V square is equal to 80 square. We get the equation number 4. Then again, using this equation number 3 and 4, W is equal to 1/2 m into bracket 80 square. Substitute the value here 80 square. So we get W is equal to 1/2 mv square. We get the equation, we get the formula for this work, and here W is equal to, means work is equal to kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. We get the equation. We get the formula of kinetic energy. Then next point we have learned here, third point. Third point we have learned here is potential energy. Potential energy. So some examples are here. An arrow is released from a stretch bow. It means ताणलेल्या धनुष्यातनं बाण सोडणं. Second, water is kept at height, flows through a pipe into the tap below. वरती भरलेल्या टाकीमधनं पाणी पाईपाच्या द्वारे नळामध्ये येणं. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल, अ कॉम्प्रेस्ड स्प्रिंग इज रिलीज. दाबलेली जी स्प्रिंग आहे ती सोडणं, रिलीज करणं, त्याच्यावरचा दाब सोडणं. ऑन धिस बेसिस यू कॅन से दॅट द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन अन ऑब्जेक्ट because of its specific state or position is called as potential energy. Once again, the energy stored in an object because of its state, specific state or position is called its potential energy. Then next point we have learned here, fourth point, expressions of potential energy. Potential energy. Again, you know that work done is calculated by this formula. W is equal to F into S. Means work is equal to force into displacement. Here, force is equal to mass into gravitational force or gravity which is act from the earth, and S means height, it is denoted by h. So we get W is equal to mgh. You know that W is equal to, means work is equal to potential energy. So potential energy is equal to mgh. So we get the formula of potential energy. That's all. Thank you, friends.